bell peppers, half an onion, 1 tomato, and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic.
We also have Parmesan. We also have 1 tablespoon of red chili. We also have some sea salt, some garlic, Italian seasoning, have some milk, and some heavy cream. For the cheeses I'm going to be using is some mozzarella cheese and cheddar and Parmesan.
As you can see, I boiled the pasta, and next thing I'm going to do is strain the pasta, and just remember to save some of your pasta water so we can add it into our sauce. It gives it more flavor. So the next thing I did, I added about a tablespoon of oil to my pot, and I added my garlic and onions, and I'm just sauteing them for a while till I see that the garlic has slightly browned and the onions are a bit translucent. So the next thing I'm going to do is add in my bell peppers and tomatoes and just saute them till they're well combined. Soon your veggies and our main base of our pasta should start looking like this. Now you're ready to add in your spices. Add in a tablespoon of chili powder, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then just mix it all together. Now add in your pasta and a couple pinches of pepper and salt. Add a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now add in the Parmesan, cheddar jack, and mozzarella cheese. Now place your pasta in a serving bowl and you're ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you try this recipe. Have a great day.